Clean coming with another video. Yeah, my videos has been scarce, but it's been for good reason, I promise. I have a lot of footage coming for y'all. Be getting the car ready for a BMW Invasion. If you don't know what that is, you need to go and do your research ASAP, because February, I think it's 19th in Florida. It's about to be crazy. You feel me? Crazy. So go do your research, go get your hotel rooms, go and get everything set in order, take your time off. I'm taking off 5 days. I ain't playing no games. We got to go down there and have fun. It's gonna be like 100+ cars from the Charlotte and Atlanta area going down to BMW Invasion. So it's about to be insane. But like I said, welcome back to the channel. I got a little treat for you guys. Like, I don't drive the car as much anymore. I have multiple cars, so that's the reason why I don't drive the car. But I need to start driving it. But when I do drive it, I have a whole lot of people asking me a lot of questions. And I'm going to answer one of these questions today. Why my burbles and my pops, you know, BMWs have the pops or whatever, I call them pops, but why my pops are so loud and so aggressive. So I'm gonna answer those questions for you guys today, put y'all in on some little secrets. I do have boot mod stage 2, Euro Empire, I'm gonna put that down there. And I want to say Indian Trail, North Carolina, Charlotte area. You can get to them. Best shop in town. Go talk to them. Tell them that you need some work. You know what I'm saying? Let them know that I sent you, and they're gonna look out for you. But boot mod stage 2, coil packs, spark plugs. You know what I'm saying? The whole 9 yards. They did all my work. Down pipes, catless down pipes, and intakes. I want to say I got Project Gamma intakes at the front, but I'm gonna show y'all all that, you know what I'm saying, show y'all everything that I got. I'm gonna let y'all hear some sound clips if y'all can hear it. The car is not really loud on the inside, which I like, but I'm gonna let y'all hear it. I'm gonna get outside, put the camera behind the car, actually rev it. Hopefully the cops don't get called, because it's very loud. But let's get into this video. I'm gonna let the car warm up. I literally just left the house, put it in sports mode, and then I'll catch back up with y'all. So hold on. This car scares me so much, bro. It's 42 degrees outside and I'm still spinning, going 60 miles an hour. Oh man, this car scares me. How about? Oh God. All right, let's try it again. Another 60 cool. Oh man, this car scares me, bro. Anything over, let me tell y'all now, bro. For the people that don't know, scats, bro, y'all only got around like 430 to the wheel. That's max, stock. You know what I'm saying? Then you put money into it, like my boy Toro_704. I'm gonna put his down here. You know what I'm saying? But he got a modded scat, 1320. Yes, it's a scat, but it's a 1320, so it's a little bit over. You know what I'm saying? Scat numbers from the factory. And he's pushing a little over, like, I want to say a little over about 520, 530 is to the wheel. Bruh. Anything over 600, you can die at any minute, bro. Like, these cars are so wild, bro. 42 degrees outside, going 60 miles an hour, and you're still spinning. Still spinning, bro. So y'all don't really understand what fast cars are, bro. Like Scats, okay, bro, I had it. It was cool, you know what I'm saying? Like, I wasn't fearing for my life. This car now, I'm fearing for my life, bro. I'm dead, for real, fearing for my life every time I drive this car. And it's fun, but at the same time, you gotta be an adult too. You know what I'm saying? Because you gotta respect this car, bro. If you don't know how to drive this car, you get into it, going 60, ain't no car. Somebody rode on the side of her car. Ain't no car spinning, you know what I'm saying, going over 60, bro, from the factory. Y'all don't understand. Y'all do not understand. But yeah, bro, ain't no cars from the factory other than any supercharged CTSVs, Corvettes, you know what I'm saying, spinning over 60 miles an hour, bro. Alright, so I just made it to a little secluded area, which is not really secluded. There's really no uncovered areas in Charlotte. So I'm gonna try to get this knocked out real quick. Yeah, put y'all back there, put y'all in the front, and let y'all hear why the aggressive boot mod tune is the way to go. Y'all let me know. Let me know how y'all feel about it. Cause I'm definitely about to show y'all. Give me a second. Like I said, there's a main couple reasons. The tune, the aggressive tune is the main reason why this car is filthy, bro. The tune is the main reason why the Burbers are so aggressive. It is the aggressive tune on boot mod, which I'm going to get a custom tune whenever I get back from Orlando by Euro Empire. So as y'all can see, I have the Project Gamma intakes front mount, which look insane. But I didn't know what color to get because I am changing the wrap soon, so I went with a silver, I want to say, with the silver tubing. This is stock, aftermarket, right here. Catless downpipes, charge pipes, like I said, the aftermarket Project Gamma as well. And I got a muffler delete, and that is pretty much it on the car, bro. With spark plugs, coil packs. Other than that, the car is completely stock. Not really, but really at the same time. But the tune is what really gives it that aggressive pop. If you want that, you know, go ahead and get your boot mod. You probably already got it. Boot mod gives you that, so go ahead and hop on that. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. I just want to let y'all know what the car is sounding like. I haven't given y'all any clips of that. Next will probably be a Cars and Coffee this Saturday, and yeah, next will probably be Cars and Coffee on Saturday. Then pretty much getting ready for BMW Invasion. That's gonna be the big meet that's coming up real soon, February 19th or 16th, something like that. It's the third weekend in February. Already got my tickets. Like I said, there's gonna be a bunch of guys going down there, so can't miss it, bro. If you on the East Coast, bro, go ahead and make that trip. Texas too. Come on, bring your car down. I'm trying to see everybody down there, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try to get some more maintenance videos of the car done before all that happens. But until then, look how nasty this car is. Oh my God. Neglecting the car, bro. I am neglecting the car. Only because there's no point of washing her until I do like a deep clean for BMW Invasion. We got another, 3 weeks for that. So, like I said, stay tuned, guys. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about the tune. Let me know what y'all think about the sound of the car, if y'all could hear any of it. I found a Hellcat on the road, but I couldn't race him, but I'm pretty sure I can beat a Hellcat anyways. That's not even really a match. But like I said, thanks for all the love, you guys. I'm coming back with something this weekend for sure. Go ahead and get this video put up, and catch y'all in the next one.